This is going to be a step-by-step guide to getting a free credit report. We have three credit reporting agencies. Each one is required to give you one copy of your credit report every 12 months. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can get a free copy of your credit report from each of the credit reporting agencies, which is Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. To download a free copy of your credit reports, all you have to do is go to this website, annualcreditreport.com. This is the website you go to, and then you click enter. You can also Google that. If you Google annual credit report, that should be the one coming up. This is what the website looks like in Google. So you open that, the homepage. And then once you get over here, so it shows you that you can have free credit reports from Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. Each of these credit reporting agencies gives you a copy of your credit reports once in a 12 months. But if you need an extra one, then that's when you have to purchase it. But in this video, I'll show you how to get a copy of your credit report. So once you get to this website right here, so you find this link that says request your free credit report. So you click on it, and then it's going to take you to this three-step process to getting your credit reports. So the first one is to fill out this form. So we're going to go through these steps together. But before we do, over here you have these warning right here. It just says that if you need all three copies of your credit reports, so you have to repeat this process. So let's say you want like Equifax today, right? So you complete the process, you download it. So if you need TransUnion, then you have to repeat this process. So let's get started with the form and go through these steps and show you how to get the report. This button right here to get started, you click on it. So the first step is to fill out this form. This form, it pretty much has like a few parts. The first one is personal information, like your first name, last name. You need to know your birthday and your social security number, so you have to verify it. And then you go down here, you have to provide your current US address. After completing this step, then you move to the next step. So I'm going to complete this, and then I will meet you on the next step. After putting that information and completing the first step, so you're gonna click submit, and then it's gonna take you to this step right here where you have to select which credit report you want. Like I said before, you can pretty much get one credit report per credit bureau. So, and then if you need to download the next one, you have to repeat the same process. In this case, I will select Experian, and after that, you click next. It's gonna load and it take you to this next step where you have to verify that it's you. This is very important because they want to make sure that it is you. And over here, you can provide your email address and phone number, and then you click continue, and then they're gonna send you a text or a phone call to verify your identity. So I am going to complete this right here, and then you have to go through the same process as well. After putting my phone number in there and my email address, they sent me a link to my phone, which I clicked, and that completed the verification process. So after the verification process, I was sent to the main page where I could view and download my credit reports. So on this page, you're gonna have like a little profile which shows your full name and the report number and the date it was generated. And then over here on top right corner, this is where you're gonna have an option to download your credit reports. So all you have to do is click on this link right here that says print or save report. And you click on it, and once you do, it is going to download a PDF copy of your credit reports. So what I do is, and which is a good thing that you should do also, is just save a copy of your credit reports on your computer so that you have access to it. If you don't save it on your computer, then if you try to request it again, it's going to be like a second time, which means that you have to pay for it. But once you save it on your computer, then you will not need to pay for your credit reports. And on top of that, you will always have access to it, and you can compare that report to other credit reports from other credit bureaus. All you have to do once you get the report is read through it line by line and make sure that all the accounts reported in the credit reports are accurate, the numbers are accurate, you don't have any incorrect information, fraudulent activities, or any account that are over there that shouldn't be there, like overdue hard inquiries or bankruptcy that shouldn't be there, or anything that is in your credit reports that shouldn't be there. You need to report that. So if you see anything that is not correct, down here you have an option to dispute that information to the credit bureau that give you that credit report. So for example, if you found a hard inquiry that is there for more than 24 months, you can dispute that hard inquiry to credit bureau. All you have to do is just start a dispute, and then you're gonna have like different steps you need to follow to complete that process. So again, this is how you get a free copy of your credit report. So if you need another copy of your credit report, you will need to go back and start the process over and select a different credit bureau, because this one is Experian. So if you need the Equifax one or TransUnion, you need to go back and start over the whole process. It is recommended to download one credit report from one bureau per quarter, so that the second quarter you can get another credit report from another agency, and then the last quarter you can get one from the last one, so that you still have access to your credit reports for free throughout the year. And again, these credit reports don't come with your credit score. So if you need to know your credit score, then you can always use other services like Credit Karma has an option to view your credit score for free. But if you need your FICO score, you can go to My FICO website, then that will give you a free copy of your credit score. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share this video to someone you think might need this information. And as always, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.